All right, so I know what you're thinking. Hey Dave, when are we gonna be able to come over and see Stonehaven? Great question. Well, here is the first official Stonehaven tour. It's coming up October 27th. So, it's not just Stonehaven on this tour, but Stonehaven is gonna be open all day. We're gonna have a lot of cool things happening here, and I'm in the heart of Sunnyslope. So if you're in Phoenix, if you're in Arizona, or if you wanna make a trip down here just to see the tour, you definitely should. It's called the Sunnyslope Open Studio Tour. My friend Larry Ortega put this whole thing together, and he's an amazing artist. He builds epoxy molds of fish and stingrays and takes wood, and the art that Larry makes glows in the dark, and it's a radiating piece of art. It's just magnificent. So Larry really liked to put big groups together, so he found all these awesome artists in Sunnyslope. We're bringing all the artists together now. It's gonna be an art colony out here in Sunnyslope. So if any of you artists are out there, come to Sunnyslope, buy a house, join the art colony because it's happening. So this is the first annual Sunnyslope Open Studio Tour. And what this is there's 15 artisan artists. We got clay potters, sculptors, we have painters, we have a wood guy who slices big wood slabs. And there's some cool restaurants. There's a brewery. We're just getting all these artists of Sunnyslope, bringing them all together. Food, fashion, music, and art. And it's gonna be fun. Plus, garden, because Stonehaven is on the tour. So this is the best part about it. So you gotta come down October 27th, 2018, which is the first annual Sunnyslope Open Studio Tour, to come check out Stonehaven. You'll get a full tour of the place. I'm gonna have some other events. I'm probably gonna have some booths set up here. I really wanna have like a little farmer's market, a little a path around the yard. Now it might be under construction in certain areas of the yard. There's a lot to look at now. It's been 18 months already, and by October, it'll actually have been a little under 2 years that this was dirt. So you're gonna get to experience this garden that's been a little under 2 years old and see how a food forest is created. Because right now, my front yard pretty much already canopied. And I didn't even plant those canopy trees. No, I did, I planted them last February in 2017. So, the front yard's almost canopied, backyard's on its way. Some big stuff's happening in the backyard too, and I can't wait to share that with you. But you're gonna see it all at the Sunnyslope Open Studio Tour. I'm gonna have my Stonehaven Green Gold Root Drench Fertilizer and foliar spray. It's gonna be a concentrate, so you can mix it with more water, and then you can either spray it or root drench it. I'm gonna have that available. I'm gonna have some moringas available. I'm gonna have some cuttings available. I'm gonna have some seeds available. There's gonna be artwork here, so if you guys like art, you can buy some art. It's just gonna be a lot of fun. We're also gonna have a couple workshops, and if you guys have suggestions as to what workshops you'd like to see on that studio tour day, I'm gonna try to get a few people together, and we're gonna be having workshops the whole day from 9 to 5. It's gonna be a long day, it's gonna be a fun day, it's gonna be the best day that you've experienced all year, because it's not just my place. After you get done with Stonehaven, you take a tour around, at least hit 3 or 4 or 5 or 10 of the other open studios, because if you enter to win at everybody's studio, you could win a piece of their art. And there's some amazing, amazing artists in the tour. So, I just wanted to share that with you. So mark your calendar right now for October 27th, 2018, first annual Sunnyslope Open Studio Tour. Stonehaven is on the tour from 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 p.m. And I'm gonna put a website in the description below that you can check out all the artists on the tour. You can meet them. I'm gonna be doing videos and I'm gonna be releasing them, so you're gonna be able to meet all of the artists in the next coming months before the tour. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to see you on the tour, and I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button below, hit the like button, comment below. Let me know what you think about this, what things you want to see on the tour. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much to all my Patreons. I really appreciate all of you. I know I have a couple new Patreons. I'm going to mail you out some glasses here soon, and you'll get some new shades if you want to become one of my Patreons. And so if you do want some new shades and be in the credits of these videos, go to patreon.com/developawesomeskills and become a $3 a month patron or more, and you'll get a cool pair of shades and be in the credits of these videos and be helping support a cool cause of me running around planting trees. So thank you so much again, and until next time, develop awesome skills. See you on October 27th for the Sunnyslope Open Studio Tour here at Stonehaven.